Tired of tossing out food scraps? Want rich organic soil for your garden for free? In this video, I'll show you how to start composting at home, even if you live in an apartment or have no gardening experience. Composting is nature's way of recycling. It turns your food and yard waste into dark, crumbly, nutrient-rich soil, also called black gold by gardeners. Composting helps cut household waste by up to 30%, improve garden soil, and reduce harmful methane emissions from landfills. It's easy, sustainable, and super satisfying. Think of it as a mix of greens and browns. Greens, fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, tea bags, eggshells, browns, dry leaves, shredded paper, cardboard, sawdust. Avoid meat, dairy, oils, or anything too greasy. They attract pests and smell bad. Choose what fits your space. Outdoor bin, great for yards. Cheap and simple. Tumbler, mess-free and easy to turn. Worm bin vermicomposting, perfect for small spaces or apartments. Start with a layer of browns, then alternate greens and browns. Keep the pile as moist as a wrung-out sponge. Turn it every week or two to add oxygen and speed up decomposition. Got a stinky pile? Add more browns and mix it up. To dry, add water, flies. Cover food scraps with dry leaves or cardboard. It's all about balance and patience. Depending on the method and conditions, compost can be ready in 6 to 12 weeks. Finished, compost looks dark, crumbly, and smells earthy, like forest soil. Use compost, too. Enrich garden soil. Mix with potting soil. Mulch around plants or top dress your lawn. It's organic, free, and full of nutrients your plants will love. Keep a countertop caddy for scraps. Chop large items for faster breakdown. Add cardboard regularly to balance wet scraps. Print a compost cheat sheet and stick it on your fridge. Whether you live in a house or an apartment, you can start composting today. Got questions or composting wins to share? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and grow something amazing from your own food waste.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.